I think, sir, Miami Kuma Kevin. Catch President Kufour say, or you listen to no wheelchair, no person best around Kevin. I think say you need to apologize to the old boy. Makanaboko. As I said, we apologize to the old boy.
After all these things, now I'm sure I could enter a MPP way. MPP a omo diabolic. Emu penifo ne nkwara nyina eya kromfo. Omo nka no kra, omo shada den. Shada da Ghana for. Na nseni ati se JA Kufour akasa se Mahmoud Bawumia oye nipa bi a boss Mahmoud Bawumia nipa bi a yankotoma no adentira ose Bawumia awa aban mu 8 years adentira ose Bawumia a politician a sebio onu na betime di man no so moma yankotie JA Kufour asem ya okan ye miwi a ne emfa ngeje se de na nkofo ka efa Kufour no Kufour sebio oye trufo oye hypocrite anase oye mambofo menchusu ba kumano ba utie wi a ubehu the reason why a amanfo bi te se Alankash mo are disappointed in JA Kufour ene mitie audio bi a eye otumfo osetutu ehine baako ka the history from time a omote MPP emwa eye JA Kufour ntuma fambo Alankash but emwa alan de aboa Kufour bedru ha before Kufour aye boni aye etia konwem dada etwa Ghana fontro momientie Kufour na oka something about presidency, the term and why we should vote for a particular candidate.
Because you were there for 8 years.
I take that as just political talk. 8 years should be long enough for anybody with solutions to show. The current regime has been in power 8 years almost. So if we are not having the solutions, we shouldn't accept shifting of blame onto earlier regimes.
What Ghana and as MPP
I take that as just political talk. 8 years should be long enough for anybody with solutions to show. The current regime has been in power 8 years almost. So if we are not having the solutions, we shouldn't accept shifting of blame onto earlier regimes.
For 8 years.
I take that as just political talk. 8 years should be long enough for anybody with solutions to show. The current regime has been in power 8 years almost. So if we are not having the solutions, we shouldn't accept shifting of.
Yebusa JA Kufour, or say 8 years is enough for anyone in government who says they have solutions to be able to deliver. When you give a politician 8 years, it's enough to be able to solve every problem. All the solutions you put on the table, 8 years is enough. And I'll say, after 8 years, you are not supposed to blame your predecessor. People who do that don't deserve to lead Ghana. Where JA Kufour, Ankasa, Enumasem. I say 8 years is enough for somebody who says they have solution to solve the problem when given the opportunity. And I'll say, sa person and sa nipano, they are not supposed to blame their predecessors for anything. JA Kufour and the cancer way. After 8 years of Mahmoud Bawumia and Kufuor's government, after 8 years of Bawumia telling us he knows everything about economics and that he was going to move us from taxation to production and that he was going to make sure the dollar, which was at 3.8, it stays below. Today, the dollar is at 17.25. As we speak, after 8 years, Mahmoud Bawumia, the unemployment percentage of better, as we speak today, it is out of the roof. We are talking about Ghana Bawumia beto after 8 years. He's supposed to solve and the Bawumia ne Kufour abo besia cha ban bia in our history. In fact, omabo besia cha ono Kufour no to ono. So what will make anybody get up the next day and say, after all these things I told you, Montoma Bawumia a bonia a deliberate a deliberate lie. A nipa ni daho na odi mu bone. Kufour ni daho na odi Ghana for bone. In some kind na meka yo. E yo no an kan na no asem ene yedi ni ka. Mama kwase bi gojira bi se yedi Kufour atem. Kufour nkasa na no asem ene sebio ensem o kan ene de oye ne no it contradicts. Ene ne boy bra ene ne nhia. De Kufour ka ene de o kan ne ne kire se Kufour without due respect on kanokre. Into then and there obi a wodi Ghana so 8 years. And when Kufour was speaking, he did not say the president or the vice or say when somebody comes to lead, the president and the vice, when they lead after 8 years, the solution no to man solve, they are not supposed to be given any opportunity. So why is Kufour telling us say Yanko Tuma Baumia? It is because he's choosing his political party, he's choosing his selfish interest, he's choosing his tribe over the development of this country. The same way he came to power, he didn't think about the whole Ghana, but he thought of a few group of people that he could better their lives. In the Saoirse Kufour governance now, obaye no nipa kuo kitwe bi ene di yie ena ode toilet spread the Ghana. Owie no koto go chain tune kum ena oka kire se ye nyina ye jimi. Ono ani krom bia atwa ne furuma asantime mu no wentumi ensi one regional hospital. Wentumi anye adwuma titiru bia ende obi gina asantime wo ka se asantini de shedi president da. Until you could see say these are people we cannot take their word totally. We have to be very worried. We have to be very careful when people like Kufour they come, they get the opportunity to speak because they are humans like you. They also have their low points. They also have things they like. They also have selfish interest. It is when Kufour speaks, let us not sit and say Kufour kasa for no. As far as Kufour ebetena Ghana akonwan so ebo krono no se otifie na ebi otihuche bu kro betuma sa abokrono. It does not change. Krocha mansa otonsuoma sebio ne won sensan no de bebi agina ne gina ubetuma ye de obe bia but the won sensan de ho enti Krocha mansa tonsuoma en chese ne won sensan ne beko. So per Kufour's own statement o make here na ode toto ende Kufour statement one you could say Kufour is being very hypocritical in his statement. Why would he even tell us Yantuma Kufour do aban we biem? And Ebia want this is J.A. Kufour.
Because you were there for 8 years.
I take that as just political talk. 8 years should be long enough for anybody with solutions to show. The current regime has been in power 8 years almost. So if we are not having the solutions, we shouldn't accept shifting of blame onto earlier regimes. I take that as just political talk. 8 years should be long enough for anybody with solutions to show. The current regime has been in power 8 years almost. So if we are not having the solutions, we shouldn't accept shifting of blame onto earlier regimes.
So you see, time now kasa asem we na NDC na power. Or somebody 8 years. 8 years, anybody with solution should be able to solve every solution, every problem. Now NDC na power. And we catch Ghana for say 8 years. They say, Mama, we are buying 8 years. I will say at the end of the day, I buy no and go dollar no etiko lower than 3.8. Sa buy no or san kwa fani pa dudu ejuma. Sa buy nka one district, one factory nka osi ehu. Sa buy one constituency $1 million is there nka osi ehu. Sa buy also obo besia less chain abuy na ewo ho no. Sa buy no say at the end of the day no anka Ghana den ye ndwuma nsam ne esika sam ejina ne naso. Sa buy no enisa nka okọ IMF because abuy na ewo ho no ekọ IMF. Sa buy no nka say de oye nyina eye positive than abuy na ewo ho no. After 8 years, owie no say sa abuy obetrem 8 years no enisa o blame the predecessor aban atwomko and yetia Nanado Dankwa Kufour ne Baumia they are still blaming John Mahama. J.A. Kufour huni nyina atini nyina. The question here is why would he come and sit on TV to tell us to say Yantuma Baumia a hypocrite? On kanokre you need da ho no odi bone o kan ho asem onim se nipa bi be sori etia wo wakwahye mpanyini yechi e na o say Ghana or the party and obo Ghana or ye penyini bia Ghana ndana koma so eye nikuo ene nenton ene dana koma so Kufour chose tribe political party over a nation. Kufour is a statesman. But he does not care about you and I. And in some of our can also about Chilena is who dinner tem, Ubiendi Kufour tem. Yeah, Chilesa Kufour can correct. The lies are getting out of hand. The same way, at Trowaya MPP4 Ekukino, MPP4 continuously to me can try na Tony Patrim, now we say no correct. Nobody in Ghana today or out of Ghana today can come out and say 2016 na dumso Ghana. Nobody. 2016. Obienu obetumi bi na naka say 2016. Time na John Mahama handing over power ama Kufour 2017 na dumso Ghana. Nobody in Ghana can say 2017 na John Mahama nante ede the handing over note ama Kufour Jubilee House no and Flagstaff House no na dumso Ghana. Nobody. And so when we say in Kufour every day omunye opportunity say Mahama eja dumso. Omunim say atrono omumu dodo na omudi omochi no omajimi. John Mahama ne NDC almost solve dumso ede eye a whole energy sector na eye robust NPP4 through Napo emebe hu say na ye wo excess power. Na me na wonim say ye wo excess power. John Mahama ja energy eye sector ne ma NPP energy sector oja ye no na ye wo nyiramunkane na eden na ebi kura broso. Into nobody bosom sofo imam Ghana ni bia de obetuma ka say 2017 John Mahama free power na dum so ho na John Mahama hu se Kufour do ye trofo so be say we jimi kakra we hu se Kufour do any MPP for no omudwin say Ghana fo nyina jimi. So every time they get the opportunity, they basically what they do is they touch on the nerves of the weak-minded NPP followers. Mameka be nchiro NPP omunim some followers ndodo na jimi eyinkurasofo omon kenkan omon code school until they have adopted a strategy. Say atron on the mom because say omo kan no credit chromo sign Kufour ntiase. And John Mahama responded Nana do dankwa Kufour actually say oye penyini bone on kan no credit oye trofo say obedi no credit ansa na wewu a 2017 time ana o free power no Ghana hefa records ben and a chere e ECG say na dum so ho time ana o free power. These are facts. John Mahama, let's listen to him.
You know, liars cannot go to heaven. And let me give you a Bible quotation. Proverbs 19, chapter 19, verse 9. It says, those who bear false witness will not go unpunished, and the liars will be destroyed. Proverbs chapter 19, verse 9. I expect that when MPP is telling lies, they'll leave it to the younger ones and the junior ones to do. And when the senior ones like Nana Kufour says that Dumso was not solved before we came, I heard him say that we could not keep the lights on. How can we run 24-hour economy? In 2016, Dumso had been solved. Nobody's lights went off in 2016. Nobody had load shedding in 2016. That is on record. Go and look at Gridco records. Go and look at ECG records. Nobody had load shedding in 2016, and that is a fact. And he himself knows that Dumso was a generational problem, and that it was because of the lack of addition of generation over the years that crystallized in my time. But I did not do what he has been doing, shifting the blame to somebody else. I went to Parliament and I said I was elected to solve the problems of Ghana. I accept responsibility for the energy crisis and I will fix it. And I fixed it. From January to December to the following January, when we handed over to Nana Kufour, he should bear true testimony. Dumso had been solved. And so, if you lie, you will not go to heaven. At his age, he should be preparing his soul for heaven. So he should stop lying. He should bear true testimony. Dumso had been solved. And so, if you lie, you will not go to heaven. At his age, he should be preparing his soul for heaven. So he should stop lying. Of generation over the years that crystallized in my time. But I did not do what he has been doing, shifting the blame to somebody else. I went to Parliament and I said I was elected to solve the problems of Ghana. I accept responsibility for the energy crisis and I will fix it. And I fixed it. From January to December to the following January, when we handed over to Nana Kufour, he should bear true testimony. Dumsor had been solved. And so, if you lie, you will not go to heaven. At his age, he should be preparing his soul for heaven. So he should stop lying.
At his age, he should be preparing his soul for heaven. He should stop lying. Or say Kufour, baby, when you dream. Or Sanka, this is the time anka. Oh yeah, papa, I can't kure. Atronti. One shabako bunsam jim. Baumia, John Mahama, some more catch on. Or say at your age, you're 1944. Now we jina nkwara nim, ejina, eye, nkwara nketwa, omoba betwa omane so, wa enche ubewu no, unya opportunity a, na udi nkwasi atro. John Mahama say, baby a unfie dri, upe toto baby a wedri, unsie nyansa enka no kure no say all free power why na wo Ghana ha obetimaka se 2017 na load shed na dum so wo Ghana o se wanyini jankwara asem na gya jimi no na ye nyina ye nka no kure nkire Ghana mabunu no na mo hu bebia no kure da oh ye ka chem se Kufour de jimi Kufour de jimi Kufour de jimi enu abi no de train ba omi a amafo se ye mu ade wo Kufour de 1944 ye wo no na mumu dodo ye nwo mo expedition ko epenyini a wanyini ogina enkwara anim a obeka no kore na enkwara no adwene decide we giminti na adwene say everything is about politics into your opportunity no to at the end of the day speak truth to young people na not in the kwasia etwantro na Jo Mohammed tunufo no o se hwe bibia wo mfie du enya Ghana politics anka wo wudadada 2015 na hwinro na muhwinim why a bypass in Kwa 2 wo sinyina yesisi hwe bebia wo mfie du unya opportunity na wutwatro why a say toy president bebia obedu no na okekasa anyhow unsue nyansa nka no kora nkyere Ghana because atro na wo de den wo de atikire wo brabo wan kasa ugina yenim so lawyer so unyen lawyer we are supposed to move away from this kind of childish foolish kind of politics politicians say they can just lie and get away with it because yenini Jimmy. We need to stop them. And a typical foolish politician, any Kufour. Well, onya opportunity otumi kotena radio so baby anim fie doing in Ghana no document. John Mahama njina baby ada enka se obetwa free SHS but kwasi ampanyi wenya opportunity the only thing he does is say na otwatro because on say oye panyini mu ntwer onim nyansa onum wi a na adwene say Ghana fo nyina ejimi John Mahama njina baby ada so betwa free SHS we busa Ghana fo say we jina baby bie na no so betwa free SHS ma obi meka enso na Kufour we jimi nti na Kufour hu say Ghana fo ejimi nti we nyini ba na adwene wo fom na adwene say politics no e ya tro muntie okotena radio o say John Mahama betwa free SHS mu we jimi
say I have no doubt in my mind say Sam painful minia edo munisi kai baumia ubitumi edi mano akọ anim ma there's the idea na TJ Jomama bibie ni ho asonani a free SHS and also say or chance say agenda 111 and also say or so chance say bibie ni ho ayaya eso ni ntinam de mimi ho say just oba sa na menyi na oba betwam na I believe says Sanya menso so ebeboa Ghana nkoso 111 and also say or so chance say bibie ni ho ayaya yes and also say or chance Jomama bibie ni ho asonani a free SHS and also say or chance say agenda 111 and also say or so chance say bibie ni ho ayaya eso ni ntinam de mimi ho say just oba sa na menyi na oba betwam na I believe says Sanya menso so ebeboa Ghana nkoso it so bia ono eba no ba betwa free SHS mu agenda 111 on fanya adwuma ni say si so be or so beba sauce on the side you may obey twasso no the biaba.
This is a foolish man. He's an idiot. It's a clear-cut idiot. Neni daho wenyini yo ene o Jimmy. Ohun sama oka. Ba kumpo ni wa ewom. Na ane de me yan say we are journalists ena kotokuro du weti wenim keka nkwase asem. Ehona na we gina Mr. President. In fact, ex-president is also is a former president. You occupied the seat before you came. So we should accord him that respect we are basically giving you. We as journalists have not heard him anywhere say he will cancel free SHS. That is what journalism is. Kwasiane enim say to or to one why say. Ena kotokuro du kwasiampe ni to okeka kwasiasem John Mahama so betwem John Mahama so betwem John Mahama agenda 11 na mo agenda 11 mo sisan na obi betwem. Agenda 111 no mo sisan. Sign na mo si organ obi betwem. Free SHS na yeti kurom ha no. Ehina John Mahama gina baby ka say obetwa free SHS mu. Na journalist kwasiano so te wo. You need to stop him and say, Mr. President, when you leave office and somebody misquotes you and somebody tries to lie that you said this, you wouldn't be happy. You'll be sitting at home and you'll be pissed like the journalists in Ghana are not doing any good because you did not utter these words. So if somebody who has been in your position before, you are misquoting the person as a journalist, you need to stop that dwarf and be like, Mr. President, let's do clean politics. He has not said it, so you cannot say he would do it. You might disagree with him on it, but it does not mean, unless he makes that emphatic statement, then you question the president. Mr. President, when somebody says he's going to review a policy, it does not mean he's going to cancel it. That is what journalists do. Kwasiafo or to one why say. And na kotokuro di Jimmy no, ekeka kwasiasem wo radio so, wakotena Inshira FM. Wakotena Hello FM. Di omu ya no. Into omu kwa no makobiem speaker ni sisi de enkejetia. Speaker ni sisi kejetia ya beka no kura kire ye nuanom ma ye maamenom ye nuanom na ye di no kura aye nyoma na ye no na kwasia wo ya endi 6 months obewu no wakotena radio so keka kwasia asem na young man otin anim no owo years and years a eda nanim a obebo bra wo Ghana na wa ma akokora wo ya the show nyina ago no etwo keka kwasia asem say the future of people who want to better this nation we momo Jimmy. I don't blame Achichide no. I blame the useless guy sitting or a journalist. Because the issue is, as a journalist, your job is to fact check the person sitting in front of you. You get what I mean? In Kwasiadi amuye no Kumasi no into own so one can some way Accra. He can never say this in Accra because without due respect to Omam Accra, a Kufour obun crime for change Kumasi for. I'm telling you. Nanado Danko Kufour MPP no omu bu Kumasi and crime for change Kumasi for. In the sense some of Kumasi omokano. On to me can Accra because Accra for the question no. By your dear, you bet you soroku. Eman Kwasiafo be the politics ada ye mubi. Into omu yenya santifo say ye Jimmy tinanim. You can respectfully stop the president. Mr. President, please, can I step in? Ex-President Mahama has been a president before. In fact, to be very honest, and as a journalist, I've covered all the news. I've read the news. Until you prove to me today, he has not stand anywhere. I have never seen him say emphatically that he's going to cancel free SHS. So I believe that your statement is untrue. Then you allow the man to defend his statement. It is untrue. Because we are journalists, these are facts. Oh, the problem I have with Ghana media, and they say, Jimmy, they don't deserve to sit on TV. A politician can be paying you, but at least, manipana otie who say, we Jimmy, politician Jimmy, unimnyansa. Enti, so your politician cry ejuma on the radio station, maybe a radio station, a politician there. This question is not harmful. You need to be smart. You need to prove to Nipan or two with him say, Onya kwasia. Or to one or shano. And Achichide na or to one ne shwa go ne kekan kwasia sem because waba santimemu. Asantimemu de oba okanfua ebimbeji di. And that is how the NPP omo treaty yenu anoma santifo. On say Kumasi no kekan asem we Kumasi. Hello FM. Hello, ni eguasi ose mwa. Ade bechi ni afiyese. Ene ye bre, ene nsuo ne nye, ene kania kura njina so, ene ye de hospital kura obi kwa no wawu. Abuo funu, ujina otwi soroku ji nkwasi a shirt no. Na o pese me ekọ bedu, ene meta misika bezi hospital ma. Now person me kwasi ampenye ko bedu. Me nko ye dwuma nkotam sika mbesi hospital ma. Kwasi ampenye na auto abama no busa ne se hospital no wen. Kwasi ampenye na auto abama no catch de say sata na auto milk say and the adenti na auto milk say ye Jimmy gele t-shirt na man 40 air condition car mu ne egu ase sempena ye ho kan aden a ye de party ne gina ubewu na party wo ho. Acha 10 days. Si ebebra ebehu. Say ye de nyansa ebeyi obrane free so a yebehu. We will decide. Acha 10 days. Acha 10 days. Ye be man kwasiafo na atoa so and ye be nyansafo ba. It depends on us. Anything na make ka kire wo no. Sa na MPP for the ayem nyina Ghana for dodo no. And they keep doing that. Don't allow this fool to come and sit on radio and lie. Ope baby a fake news free bar pa Jubilee House. Nane Kufour on the D nim. Kwasi asema kwa we to ken. Ehina Mahama kazo betwa free SHS mu. Ehefa. Ehina Mahama jina ya oka say metwa free SHS mu. Such party with a lot of pigs. Party and pray kwa ye mumma. Mumbusa sep de bi hon ye to toilet gwa na mudi. Mumbusa questions. Party e di ekire ye hena ye de ye kɔ. Ede na ebenya as oman, ede na ebenya as okro, aba ya to ade na party busa mumbusa nsem mumyenja mpreko sam no. Amenche wa de bi wa. One story we. Regional chairman na odi MPP ni mu asantememu no. Mentina busa sa abana okoto no busa ho se de entina okoto aba. Chairman wontumi na odi MPP fo ni mu asantememu nyina no. O say Kufour the traffic light ba the krom. Kufour the traffic light by the kurase. Now they are happy to see red, gold, and green. And anything else in the kurase for them to make Kufour traffic light back. What will be catcher say? A free S. One the reason to uncle for be twaba traffic light. Regional chairman no or not in the chrome for near jet. Yeah, the traffic light about the chrome no more light that traffic light red, gold, green. Now you see where our problem is. If we want to be a MPP for who Ghana for be so much Jimmy, that is why they do what they do. Traffic lights. A whole regional chairman, he's satisfied. Say, yeah, they just red, gold, green, basically chrome, the crassy, in Tenunti, and to boom MPP. That is our problem. I have for they see this as normal. In the MPP, they do a cry. Now, I'm not normal analysis. Omu raising issues where to go and speak. They don't consider Ashanti region say a region be they are intellectuals or smart. No, they don't do that. Say almost share in Kura omo message you kwa bontinia. Ashanti region they will last. They don't worry about them because with them no MPP who almost say they are not so smart. Omo be too intelligent to understand. Until they just have to feed them like chicken. And then nobody has Ashanti for. This is a whole regional chairman. And this is his reason. Traffic light. Into a chronic problem, you know, a traffic light. A chronic, you know, into a bia unko to abama bawumia. Traffic light. Anytime I say, Ubu abos on the class of power, say, I could a smart. The moment I was a MPP shirt, no, Danny Abwa, I want to mean Vinny. Because to be argument to be. Edi sendra video be botchiri maami a okase kejeti ande ne edi dwadada ansa na eba kejeti na udwa udi dwadada na sa Ghana card de kuta no na hospital ni ansa na eba na wonwo ansa na Ghana card na eba we Jimmy and okasem chese sa wo tia bibini a odwen sa wo tan no se yakase we Jimmy a e kire se de wo ka no de wo ye no emfa kwan mu dwene hu biem that's all enya tenie sa mekase we Jimmy o. It means what you have to do, you are not doing it. So sebio ukoja wo nine na also be power to no or be power to we na udia make us away Jimmy because that is not right. Say ukute aduane na also wo to chance mu na udi aduane no go form na udi free form a make us away Jimmy. It means your action no what you are doing no is not right. In this time I mean as kind of a Jimmy Kasa because So obako free SH na yare bona ehne yade no beko. These are things you ask yourself. In this all catch them say, now we do jada da ansa na keje tie ba. Sebi o mesre wo na hospital ni ho ansa na Ghana card na ba. Time na hospital no ho na sebi o card ni wo no na emma wo. Na wankasa ogina ho no wo ye no. Time a wo no na card be ne kutawo. These are things. So you ask yourself, ma'am, ye ma party enjimi ye. We are Ghana ni na o hwe me a. And obi can you can say we Jimmy review your actions and a review the you got to review opposite cancel. So because we Jimmy or park at say review your actions a review bro for no and then I go for problem about Ghana no e bi munti ase inti me ba na say we did got mam so we Jimmy it means review what you are doing, don't do it again. Hwe say obedi aduane no chansim e de obetuma de aduane no chansim wo gata ho ba men di no gata num inti me ka say we Jimmy just review your actions. Say me ba na sebio watam ebia ade wo form na wo de hwe wonum na me ka just say hey jai Jimmy na me just review your action aduane na watam no memfa hwe wonum fa to bolem. So ni nyina ya ka say we Jimmy mumu bi mu Jimmy a I am saying say I was some review of your actions they mo ye action review inti me obi abunfu say ka just say we Jimmy a we are telling you to review your actions. Baby, I know na ya ka say free SHS let's review and go for bofu. Ya pese ye ni ye, san ye review ni biem. Yen san hwese bia free SHS ne tie. Na yen hwehwe nyoma bi ye, review. We Jimmy, the twi ya ni review. Hey you are such a review. Ha, you are hey, why are you being a review? Just say oh ye Jimmy for, you are being a reviewer. Just say into review no and the gina ho ma Jimmy. Into you got say hey, stop being a review. And I stop being a fool. And I said, don't be a review. Man, Jimmy for. Do not be a reviewing. Yes, a man be Jimmy for, but we a review of spring. Bro, phone no so am for. Inti, obi say, you can say bad behavior, and then I cancel no. Stop the bad behavior. You are being stupid. Stop the bad behavior. And just say, dying, and you cancel. Inti ka John ka say yan cancel free SHS ka say oh free SHS bad behavior anka ekutwam but so ka say reviewer no be say bibi wo ho a Jimmy ni bia anya ni ye o say etene no review no inti ana ka say we are reviewing yes say we are Jimmy for brofo de do brofo hey say brofo de opa bia betuma ye no e bia wonte brofo ntira and obi say gimmick obi so beka say gimmick mom nyina de baako ma point say gimmick obi say gimmick ni nyina brofo baako and right here obi say indigenous ni nyina say de enter brofo de open na ye into stop being a reviewer men nya boa a lot of you are reviewers. You are realistic human beings. When Jimmy Atra apeto, and then your friends say you are a realistic human being. Reviewalization. When Jimmy Atra pro, you are being a reviewalization daughter. Oh yeah, or Jimmy Foba, and then they say reviewalization. I did do mu. What brofo? So I'm for what I say. I review. You're quite dim. Eh, Mamaka bin Jamusha de Bois. Let me show you something. And you see EC, a year EC for BBSC. EC rejects CDD's request to observe elections. You see Electoral Commission for say a year CDD for almost election be say election way. Obi enwu election way. So moje enwu our EC wa election way yentumi hu results in da EC for no. They are Jermaine said she would take a back seat. Bossman Asari, sa MPP foot soldier no, on an ebe damage no. Election way, hardly will you hear a Jermaine speak. Bossman Asari, sa MPP card bearing member Bossman Asari. Enkwasiade bi obe organa say yantiana enkwasiade asa kwa ne be no be say kuro no. Bossman Asari say CDD ayenim yeni CDD mama read the story no now otie reasons until almost ma CDD and cover elections na obebusa won say hey na we omo ye mo ana so omo ye ponche Deputy Commissioner of Electoral Commission, EC, in charge of corporate services, Dr. Bosman Asare, has addressed the Ghana Center for Democratic Development, CDD, after rejecting their request to observe the upcoming elections. Bosman Asare ni EC, Jemensam said, CDD, Oma cover your election from Titiabe Sin, then say this time, Omo cover election, Bia, Omo observe and Nomka observe, Omo Pene. Hey, is this a democratic nation? How did we get here as a people? CDD, almost well observe elections. They would say, "Bibi across the Georgia, almost said that be criteria or hoya mamon yet, almost more money yet." Now read story I say no more. In an interview on TV3 on Monday, November 25th or November 25, Dr. Bosman Asare explained that the EC allows organizations interested in observing elections to apply, but clarified that approval is not automatic. Say, oh, easy for say, do elections are organizations be apply. Apply so we are person observe say election no muye modwuma yi na ye to abani yi. So nkofo apply mum, but this time they enye automatic say be ma chance and we observe elections no. This should tell you something. This should tell you something. It should tell you these people are bent on rigging the elections. Hey, J-Mens and the boss man, they are there for MPPO. Now, Uko Enima say, he emphasized that the commission conducts a thorough background check on applicants, including an evaluation of their track record and experience in election observations. I'm say, criteria and say, I'm check agency bia, organization bia, or track record. And it's sebio sibia why ye juma our election wa me. But I'm checking CDD for no me so many track record papa bia. In the election where I got the CDD, need the chance to do what? To go and observe. Say, J-Man say we are bani man. I say oh we are bani. You see, I'm more the right to do that. Only say when they dangerous. My men show the dangerous cry. My men show the part that is more dangerous. We are Ghanaian 120 NPP. I'm protected our bar. Now was I Ghanaian in the way Jimmy. Now one pet democracy beam. I mean sure I debut her. Or say tie de almost aye tie interview we. But when Asare say election aye ko to aba no media houses 12 pe e de be mo kwan say omombe monitor election 12. MPP media houses here 10. Muntie boss when Asare.
What is your plan with observers? And these include local, domestic observers, foreign observers, and then the media. What is the plan?
Well, the plan is that we've given them the accreditation to be able to observe the elections at all the polling stations in the country. And in this case, we are talking of the 40,648 polling stations. And we know some of them are going to be observing the elections in some particular regions. Some of them also have a nationwide approach where observers have been sent to different parts of the country. Apart from that, we have the media who have also been given accreditation to also observe and report on the election. So they have access to almost all the polling stations we have. However, that of the coalition centers will be restricted. Not everyone who has access to the polling station will still have the same access as far as the coalition centers are concerned. And this is something the commission will announce to all the observers so that they will know how it is going to pan out on election day.
I have seen a communication from you in which you said that the observation by the journalists who are supposed to show up at coalition centers, you said per constituency, at the constituency coalition center, there will be 8 media houses per each constituency. So you are accrediting only 8 media houses per constituency. 3 of them will be TV stations and 5 will be radio stations. And then at the regional coalition centers, you would have 12 media houses per each regional coalition center, 5 TV stations and 7 radio stations. How did you arrive at the decision to allow only 8 media houses cover the coalition at a district or constituency office?
You know, at the coalition center, apart from the media and observers, you're also going to have agents of political parties. So, for example, we have 12 candidates contesting the presidential election. So each of the candidates will have their agents at the coalition center. Apart from that, those who are contesting the parliamentary, they will also have their agents at the collation center. EC officials are going to be there. So in the wisdom of the commission, the conclusion was that to create an enabling environment for a smooth collation exercise, let's restrict the numbers. And we think that at the constituency level, to have 8 media houses is generally appropriate. And the regional level, 12 media houses is also very, very much appropriate.
That's your view, but we disagree as media. So I want to know who may have given this advice. Did you, for instance, speak to the Association of Journalists, at which meeting it was decided it's all right to have 8 media houses at the collation center?
We arrived at that conclusion based on our history and the nature of the collation centers. If you are not very careful and you don't manage the collation centers very well, you may end up having a lot of problems, challenges to deal with. So the commission believed that with this particular arrangement, it will create a very smooth collation exercise at the constituency and the regional levels.
Doc, your work is hinged on transparency, and the media gives you the best transparency ever. If the media cameras or the number of media cameras gives you the best transparency ever, why are you blocking them out? And I mean, if you want to reduce numbers, why are you targeting the media and not anybody else?
No, we are not only reducing numbers per se for the media. It's something which cuts across. And we are making the point that you have 8 media houses. Let's look at a constituency like Banda, a constituency like, let's say, Hohoy, another one like Bantaman. You have 8 media houses. We think that 8 should be enough.
Like, where on earth? Ehinna ewiasi ye elections. The media, we count media more the right to cover elections. Where on earth? Where on earth? Ena to a bar electoral commission to because say ma select way, modie regional, ma select way, modie constituency. Monna more the right to cover. You know what they want to do? They want to put out numbers Ghana for GD on election day. Yeah? They want to decide the number. On some kind number between trim. It almost select NPP politicians on radio stations and on TV. What they are going to do is say they are going to give them the numbers to tell Ghana for say, hey, NDC, NPP, we knew or we need parliamentary because the same thing. They want, because you see, now they know they cannot suppress the vote. The people will come out and vote. But almost percent vote they do regional. Media they didn't can't be too trim say MPP we need. So what they are trying to do now, and they say they want to try and put numbers in the system. We will be forced to believe because it's unknown to me for numbers and to abontin because they need to at the end of the day finalize the numbers. But before they go and put their fake number at EC National, almost per se MPP radio stations edin kind provisional because 12 radio stations and 8 TV stations now rally around one number say MPP this number. Technically the whole nation has to go with that number, and that is what they want. They want to manipulate or monopolize the number. It is not about anything. And it's almost select media house on let me tell you. Media house be it is going to work for them. Ebia bakubi and I say be ombe yine film. Send a be on baku we there or ye different from 8 and not 12 no. Ombe be 2 bia. Ombe we there NDC affiliated. When 2 come out with different numbers, not 10 come out with different numbers, they will take the 10. Media coverage of the election to set to be no IPAC no. Omoko IPAC then enkwasiafo to say Kofia Palumuno. Any san kwasiafo no maka no te wo. It does not matter what Ometwama and this MPP. Omeka say easy the oye and this benya ebia one party be to say no. Omoba almost majority no. So this is the strategy they want to do because Omo said Ghanaians will come to the polling stations. Ghana for are ready and aggressive. Omo said Ghana for will protect their ballot. Now between counting, transferring to regional, they want to change the narrative. What they want to do is say, almost starting to say, NPP lead the parliamentary, they are NPP lead the presidential. na omo force ya ka say MPP win elections no. And it's na enra MPP for beka kire mo say by 8 p.m. no money parliamentary nyina. Why are they not worried about the presidential? No. Omo person the parliamentary to trim say MPP enya number say radio ni nyina beka say MPP enya number ni say omo say oh and so we need presidency. And no person omo in election no they know Bawumia has lost the elections. But Bosman Asare mo no they have omo devised means bia they will force the media. They will collaborate with the fake media, some of them, to force a number on you people. And then we're in the history of the world. And they are stopping media from covering an election. Where on earth? And the media and electoral commission selects the kind of media to cover elections. Where? Also, to side electoral commission. There's no democracy here. Where is the democracy? This is your EC boss on Nante Ghana. This is J Mensa in Ghana. J Mensa nam Ghana. This is her. Boniba Nwedi. Wakokunipa. Or your president. Our Ghana military and then they are so mudi J Mensa chi adanya or your electoral commissioner our Ghana keke. Under J Mensa's leadership and the media is being selected who CD Debunking so munyina to cover elections no. Jack, eh? Mamenka bi binchiramo. So to Ghana now dwen say Bawumia ne Kufour mo adwene pa wo mutirima na wabodam. So adwene say election way e be easier wabodam. Hwe Ghanaians, the young people in Ghana, you need to help the NDC protect this democracy. Hey, we are living in a country where democracy does not work again. Enrichi, once you kwachi obi maame. When we say national security, the way omakochi obi maame, the omakoye no, ebetuma ye watch na. I'm telling you. Let us all come together as a people. Let us all go out and vote. Let us all stay and protect our ballot. Let us choose our leader. Hey, ye mistake. I say, the things I know. Samikabi chemu mubia intokabisi wa Ghana. If we don't come together as a people. From 1992, J.J. Rawlings, NDC for the Constitution, by aye nyina egi tu mo ya chichire Ghana. Ya to aba besi hande. There's never been a day the media they have been blacked out. Ye media ne free abatuonim. The moment the media is taken out of elections, it is no more an election. The moment the media is taken out of the elections, you don't have an election. What you are about to go do, you need to go save your country by voting against the NPP and protecting your ballot. I swear to God. Hey, Boni and Kufour, they are not prepared to leave power. We will vote them out. And we will insist that the person we voted for becomes president. I swear. Eh? Someone they will say it is a joke. Almost to the point of selecting media to cover your election. You have no democracy again. I say, the NPP, Mahamudu Bawumia, the Kufour NPP, Gabi Ochiridakon, Bamti, Jane Mensa Bosman Asare NPP in 2024. And the North Korea, the media will be given access. North Korea, even when you go to Iran, the media is allowed. Ghana. These are snakes and sons.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahin, Alajete, J.A. Kufour, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,